Hey everybody! Today we are doing a tickled pink heart nail design using a dotting tool, a white polish, Del Sol's Tickled Pink and Reckless nail polishes, and hole punch stickers. Let's get started. Start by painting your index, middle, and ring fingers with Del Sol's Tickled Pink nail polish. Paint your pinky and thumb with the Reckless nail polish. Using the dotting tool and white polish to paint hearts on your index, pinky, and thumb. Next, using the hole punch stickers, place two together to form the top of a heart. Then place them on top of your middle finger. Use the white polish to fill in the space. Remove the stickers while the polish is still wet. On your ring finger, paint a chevron pattern with your white polish, then your Reckless polish to form the bottom of a heart. Here's what our design looks like inside without the sun. And here's what our design looks like outside with the sun. I hope you've enjoyed our design today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.